Ladies and gentlemen, we are exclusive on behalf of Boxing TV for our cameraman in attendance, along with Lee White and Mark Action Donnelly, our resident in-house commentators. Welcome, Ghana, to the number 3 t-shirts of Chapter. This next contest is for 3 rounds of boxing in the super middleweight division. Introducing to you first the boxing hours of the blue corner, rugby, black short strip with red at the weight scale, 11 stone, 8 pounds, 6 ounces. Tonight is his 15th professional appearance, hailing from Manchester, here is Josh Cook. And opposing in boxing hours of the red corner, rugby, at the weight scale, 10 stone, 13 pounds, 8 ounces. From 2 contests, the undefeated Hashim,
Matthew, what weight is he? 11 stone 8. It's a lightweight, Hashim. 11 stone 8. The other one?
Yeah! Boom boom shakeroo. Bout 2. Tonight. Coming out of the blue corner from Manchester, Josh Cook. Coming out of the red corner from Hull. We're training in Manchester under the tutelage of Matthew Hatton, Hash Rehman. He's 2-0 and 25 years in age. Josh Cook is 30 in his 16th professional fight. Lost 14, drawn 1. Josh Cook though.
Yeah, so Rehman is 2-0. His nickname is the Hammer, but obviously no stoppages at this moment in time, so maybe we're expecting big things from him.
A little bit of weight in this. 11 stone 8 Cook, 10 stone 13. Good start from the Hull boxer.
Sticking with the jab again.
Referee in this second bout, A-star referee John Latham from Bury.
Lovely rhythm that, Hash, lovely rhythm. Good.
Yeah, nice start from Rehman. He's just taking his time, nice and steady, and as you can probably hear the advice from Matthew Hatton in his corner, his trainer.
Half a step back and work.
Nice shot. First time we've seen him, Mike. He looks okay.
Yeah, he looks quite technical. Nice and busy, but you know, he's not rushing in, he's picking his shots.
I've seen Josh Cook a few times, haven't Mike? He's never been stopped once. He knows what to do, he knows how to move about. He's quite athletic.
Yeah, he never looks too busy though. He just kind of does enough really. Obviously wary of his opponent.
Wary or not trying to have him, because the journeyman, you told me which one of those it is.
Yeah, bit of a fine line really, isn't it? Do you look after yourself too much, not getting involved, or do you give your opponent a test?
Nice shots by
but Rehman can only deal with what's in front of him, and he's done a nice job so far.
Yeah, he's certainly been in this first round. Mr. Cook just on survival mode, just poking that jab out every now and again. Keep him moving, and it's be earning his dough again next week. First round Rehman.
Yeah, Rehman's nice and slick, moves his head well. Quite happy with the way he's moving at the moment. Good stuff.
Boom Boom Shader in round 2, 4-3s. Blue corner Cook, red corner Rehman.
Got the cheeky left up there from Cook.
So when you look at the difference in the shots, Mike, Rehman's throwing the menace, Cook's just popping him out. Almost holding the tire himself out.
Good shot.
Or maybe trying not to hurt him. I don't know. We're trying to give a fair comment on what we think happens in this professional boxing.
There we go.
Well, it is the hurt game, so I think when you're throwing your shots, you've got a lot of intent,
Good shot.
especially when you're landing. Obviously,
Jab first.
the idea is to hurt your opponent and put him off, stop him coming forward to you.
Agreed, Mike, and if there's no power in the shots, their opponent's just going to keep coming. I remember back in the day when we had to spar Lee Hogan. Didn't like hitting him on the head, did we, Mike?
No, Head of Stone, he used to damage right hands, didn't he? On his head.
Him on the belly.
Don't switch off, Hash. Don't switch off. Sharp. Chop it.
Nice shouting by Matthew Hatton, good encouragement. He's followed the game plan so far. Yeah, pretty looks. I'd say he looks quite good, Mike.
Yeah, he's got
Technical.
he's got good feet. When you watch him when he comes in, his little steps to the side, just slight movements, and that's all you need just to offset your opponent. Again, he's a little bit square on leaning
Good,
on.
Hash. Go. Back in that rhythm.
Up and then, it was a bit south of the border, was it?
Jab that body again.
There's not much coming back by Josh Cook.
Let's go again, Hash.
Well, as we speak, gives him a few clouts and absolutely shocked the opponent boxer.
Yeah, I think he must have heard you there, Lee.
But, you know, just showed that he can do something if he wanted to.
Exactly, yeah. Some of these kids, I know they've come here to just take the money really, but it's just nice to see him be on the offensive a little bit more. Just test their opponent.
Hash. Go.
Kieran McAfee was in the last fight. It's better, you see, they're not going to learn anything unless they test them.
Nudge in. Patience. See that jab up? Let them hands go now. Jab first, let the hands go.
Nice, his head hunting a little bit. Switched out of the body. Good shot by Josh Cook. 2 rounds to Rehman now.
Yeah, I'll go with that one, Lee. It's comfortable, 2 comfortable rounds for him, I think.
Second down, round 3.
Yeehaw! Boom Boom Shader in round 3. Apparently this bout's been put together last minute, that's why there's quite a lot of weight in
Good,
it.
Hash.
1.5 stone in it. A couple of the other bouts have dropped out tonight. So we've got it 2 rounds to the red corner.
Whip that lead left looking, Hash.
Matthew Hatton.
Yeah, just from the start of that round there, just Cook seemed to be on the offensive a little bit. Whether he just goes back into his shell or not now, we'll have to wait and see. Because Rehman keeps doing his work, staying busy. He's nice and slick, he's got good head movement. He's looking for the shots, he's looking to pick his shots. He's not rushing in.
Body. Much better, Hash. Keep that rhythm. Good, good. Better.
Josh Cook
Much
keeping his
better.
up nice and tight.
Sharp that head
He knows
movement
it's
again.
important.
Jab first.
Strikes the body there by Cook. Referee John Latham, not much to do tonight.
Good, Hash. Look at the defence out. That's it right now.
A little bit of a spurt there from Cook.
trouble is that have any spurts during the rounds, Mike.
Just shows you, Lee, some of these kids, they can do a little bit more than what they're offering. They just tend to keep it in reserve for some strange reason. Maybe it's to fight next week or whatever, they don't want to get too involved. Think of any injuries that's going to stop them earning.
I totally agree, Mike, but like you're saying, you'd like them to challenge the red corner a little bit more often. Some of these journeymen can do that, but no doubt if Josh turned on a little bit, it would make it more of an exciting fight. So they're just trying to survive.
Yeah, I mean, when we go back to when we were fighting, Lee, we had, I suppose we fought, back then, we didn't call them really journeymen, they were just away fighters, weren't they? But they came and had a go.
They came to win.
Exactly, yeah. They were the away fighters, but, they come for the upset.
They didn't come just to earn the money.
That's it, now it's just more of a business now, isn't it?
Nice little change of angles there.
But again, no disrespect to Cook, it's a last minute thing, he's coming at the last minute, I suppose, making a show up, so fair play to him, he's doing what he needs to do.
3 rounds to red.
And all credit to Rehman, he's just doing what he needs to do as well, and winning 3 rounds, I would say.
Round 4. Puts us just close to the 4th and final round is 4-3s. We've both got Mr. Rehman up 3 rounds. The last Josh Cook pulls something big out.
Yeah, I think Rehman seems to be coming forward a little bit more now. I think he obviously sees it's the 4th round, last round. Probably doesn't want to leave anything in the tank. I think Cook just wants to survive.
Let's pick that pace up again, Ash.
Just like to Rehman, just put it on him a little bit. Just like that, good stuff.
Left up as well, had an extra one on.
Jab your way in, right hand to the body.
Yeah, I like his style, I like Rehman, I like the way he controlled himself. He's nice and relaxed, pretty elusive, nice defence, nice head movement. It's only his 3rd fight, so quite impressed.
Let's go again.
Yeah. And the way this is going, it's going to be shut out 40-36. Obviously, I'm running through cars. Mr. Cook having a little go there, just to show you can do a bit of something.
Minute to go, Hash. Minute to go.
John Latham, pretty redundant, is showing his fight.
Yeah, ref's not had much to do, has he? Really? You just let him get on with it. So there's no nicing up. It's been not evenly, but a quite fair fight, really. As in, no naughtiness, no silliness. Both guys just getting on with it.
Matthew Hatton shouting out instruction. Never realised what a monotone voice Mr. Hatton had. Really close to me here. Hi, Matthew.
Yeah, I think Rehman could do another 2 rounds as well with this, but obviously we're only on 4-3s, but it's a credit to his fitness.
Yeah, he's don't stop working. Good to see.
Obviously, being at the Hatton gym, they're very big on fitness.
Yeah, he's got Andy Jones in his corner there, his strength and conditioning coach.
Nice finish by Rehman.
boxing info, news and latest interviews, amateur and pro, across the north. Click and subscribe. VIP Boxing Promotions. Also Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.